If you ever miss important meetings, deadlines, or reminders, Google Calendar can help you stay on top of everything with notifications. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Calendar notify you step by step so you can set up alerts the right way and never forget an event again. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to your browser and signing into the Google account that you use for calendar events. Once you're inside, you'll see your calendar layout with all your schedules, appointments, and reminders in one place. Now, to create a new event, click Create, then choose Event. This opens up the event window where you can enter all the important details. Here, type in the event title so you know exactly what the reminder is for. You can also add a location, notes, guest, or any extra information you want to keep with the event. Next, select the date and time for the event. This is important because your notification timing depends on the event schedule. Make sure the date and time are correct, especially if the event is time sensitive or if you're planning ahead for something important. Once your event details are filled in, look for the Add Notification option. This is where you tell Google Calendar how you want to be reminded. Click Add Notification, and then you'll see notification settings appear. From here, you can choose notification or email depending on how you want to be alerted. If you choose notification, Google Calendar can show a pop-up alert on your device or in your browser. If you choose email, you'll get a reminder sent directly to your inbox. This is helpful if you prefer a written reminder or want to keep a backup in your email. Now select when you want to be notified. Google Calendar gives you several timing options, such as 10 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, or even 1 day before. Pick the one that makes the most sense for your schedule. For quick reminders, 10 or 30 minutes may be enough. For important meetings or travel plans, 1 day before can give you more time to prepare. If you want, you can even add more than one notification so you get multiple reminders for the same event. That's a great way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. For example, you could get one alert 1 day before and another alert 10 minutes before the event starts. After setting your notification preference, click Save to finish creating the event. Once saved, Google Calendar will store the reminder and send the alert based on the settings you chose. That means you don't need to manually check the calendar every time. The notification will do the work for you. There is one more important thing to check. If you want pop-up alerts to appear, make sure browser notifications or device notifications are allowed. If notifications are blocked, Google Calendar may not be able to show you the alert when the time comes. So if you don't see reminders appearing, go into your browser or device settings and make sure notifications are enabled for Google Calendar. And that's it. You now know how to make Google Calendar notify you so you can stay organized, avoid missing events, and get reminders exactly when you need them. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.